In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cast SoundCloud to Smart TV. So if you wish to use your SoundCloud on your Smart TV and then play some tracks from there, what we can do is we first need to head over, and I have in here this article that can help us. So to cast, you just need to head over first on your SoundCloud app or iOS or on your Android. Then select the track that you want to play. Once it's been played, you can tap the cast icon just beside it. It has the tablet icon with some sort of Wi-Fi option. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can choose a nearby device from the list such as TV, smart speakers, headphones, and more. So it needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network so it can be found. Once connected, your audio will play on the selected device and you'll be able to control playback from your phone from that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.